So we're gonna prove this question. It's from your tutorial, question number 12a. For you to prove this, you need to use factor formula, in which I have it here. So you have to find for each of this from the product form, you have to change it into the summation form. So we're gonna do each of them one by one. Starting from the first one, which I highlighted yellow, you can see it sine cos. So we have to find sine cos to compare with. So let's start. You have to use the equation where sine p plus sine q is equals to 2 sine p plus q over 2 times with cos p minus q over 2. In the exam, this formula will be given, so your job right now is to find the p and the q. So if you compare, the 2 doesn't exist here, so you have to move the 2 to the front. What I will do is move it to the front, become 1 over 2, the whole thing. I hope you're still following me. So we're gonna compare. So this one is same as this one. This one compare with this one. So you have p plus q over 2 is equals to 8 theta. P plus q is actually 16 theta. Your equation 1. The second one is p minus q over 2 equals to theta. So you will have p minus q equals to 2 theta. Equation 2. Solve simultaneous equation. You will have equation 1 plus equation 2. 2p is equals to 18 theta. So p is 9 theta. If you have equation 1 minus equation 2, you get 2q equals to 14 theta. So q is 7 theta. Putting them back into the first formula that you have, you will get 1 over 2, big bracket, sine 9 theta plus sine 7 theta is actually equals to sine 8 theta cos theta. Therefore, you solve the first one. Then we move on to the second one. This one. So it's a product form of sine and cos. So we have to find another sine and cos here, which is actually the same as what we used just now, the sine and the cos. So you will do again. So let me copy down what we're gonna do right now. We have the second part, sine. I'm just gonna zoom in for you to see better. Sine 6 theta cos 3 theta. This is what we call product form. So we have to change it into summation form. Summation form by using the formula like just now. So we will compare. We will have P plus Q over 2 is 6 theta. P plus Q is 12 theta. Equation 1. Another one will be P minus Q over 2 equals to 3 theta. P minus Q is 6 theta. Equation 2. So what you're gonna do right now is like just now, equation 1 plus equation 2, you will get 2p equals to 18 theta. P is theta. If equation 1 minus equation 2, you'll get 2q equals to 6 theta, and q is 3 theta. So put this, you will get sine 6 theta cos 3 theta equals to 1 over 2 sine 9 theta plus sine 3 theta. Alright, as you can see right now, we have got two equations. I'm just going to add another page. So what you have to do right now, you have to find another summation form for this one. It's a product of cos and cos. Looking at this for formula, what you can do is, this one is the most suitable one. I'm just gonna go down here. So what you have is, you have cos P plus cos Q is equals to 2 cos P plus Q over 2 and cos P minus Q over 2. So using this formula given, you have to find the product form, you have to find the summation form of this product form. Cos 2 theta cos theta. As you can observe, the 2 is no longer here, which means it's actually moved to the front. Of course, if you want to keep the 2, it's okay. So you can just write the 2 here. Your question right now, what is P and what is Q? Compare again like just now, this and this. So you do it again. P plus Q over 2 is equals to 2 theta. P plus Q is 4 theta. Equation 1. P minus Q over 2 is theta. P minus Q is 2 theta. Equation 2. Solving 1 plus 2, you will have 2p equals to 6 theta. P is 3 theta. If 1 minus 2, you will get 2q equals to 2 theta. So q is theta. Make sure you're writing, you can differentiate what is q and what is theta. So put it back into the formula. This one, you will get cos P plus cos Q equals to 2 cos 2 theta cos theta. But what you want is just this one. So you divide 2 here and to divide 2 here. You have 1 over 2, big bracket, cos 3 theta plus cos theta equals to cos 2 theta cos theta. So far, this is the question, and we have found the 3 of them. The last one will be this one, sine, sine. So the product of sine, sine, you can trace it back, it will be here. Please take note that this has negative. So let me write down here for you. Using the formula given, I copy it again. You have cos p minus cos q equals to negative 2 sine p plus q over 2 and sine p minus q over 2. So the question that you have is sine 3 theta and sine 4 theta. So like just now, you can copy the negative 2 and you just compare this one with this one, this one with this one. So what is your P? What is your Q? P plus Q over 2 is 3 theta. P plus Q is 6 theta, equation 1. P minus Q over 2 is 4 theta. P minus Q is 8 theta, equation 2. 1 plus 2, you will get 2p equals to 14 theta, where p is 7 theta. And another one, 1 minus 2, you get 2q equals to 6 theta minus 8 theta is negative 2 theta. So your q have negative theta. Please take note of the negative here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it back into here. So you have cos 7 theta minus cos negative theta is actually equals to negative 2 sine 3 theta sine 4 theta. But what you want is this one. So you move the negative 2 to the front by dividing negative 2 on both sides. So you have negative 1 over 2 cos 7 theta, and this cos negative theta doesn't affect it, and you still get cos theta equals to sine 3 theta sine 4 theta. So in total, we have already found 4 equations. 1, 2, 3, and 4 from here. So now you have to put everything, all your information, into this left hand side. start off here in a new page. Okay, so when you put in here your left hand side, gathering all the information that you have 1 over 2 sine 9 theta plus sine 7 theta minus 1 over 2 sine 9 theta plus sine 3 theta over 1 over 2 cos 3 theta plus cos theta minus from the original question and another negative 1 over 2 from what we get here, cos 7 theta minus cos theta. So this is your new left hand side. You can factorize the 1 over 2 out from everywhere. So up there you have sine 9 theta plus sine 7 theta minus sine 9 theta minus, because of this negative sign, and sine 3 theta, close bracket, over also another 1 over 2 cos 3 theta plus cos theta minus plus cos 7 theta minus cos theta. So observe that sine 9 theta minus sine 9 theta will finish off. Sine theta minus cos theta minus cos theta, 1 over 2 cancel off. So what we're gonna have right here is just sine 7 theta minus sine 3 theta over cos 3 theta plus cos 7 theta. But this is not enough to prove what we want. So from here, we have to change this summation form into product form. So it's a bit similar to what you did just now, but this is from product form into summation form. So you just have to do another form. So this sine, you can use the formula. I'll write it here for you. Sine. Sine P minus sine Q equals to 2 cos P plus Q over 2 and sine P minus Q over 2. This is a factor formula. If you can compare correctly right now, your P is 7 theta. P is 7 theta. And your Q is 3 theta. So you're going to put it back into the formula right here. So you have 2 cos P plus Q over 2. So 7 theta plus 3 theta over 2. Another one is P minus Q. Sine P minus Q over 2. So now you have to do for the bottom one, which is right here. This one, you will have to use another formula. You can refer to the formula up there. I'll find it back for you. So the cos one, you use this one. Cos p plus cos q equals to 2 cos p. I'll just copy it for you. Alright, we're almost there. Bear with me. Cos p plus cos q is equals to 2 cos p plus q over 2 and cos p minus q over 2. Using this formula, I hope you can guess already what is your p. P and your q. Alright, just put it into the formula. 2 cos 3 theta plus 7 theta over 2 and cos 3 theta minus 7 theta over 2. So right here you will have 2 cos 10 theta over 2, which is 5, and sine 4 theta over 2, which is 2, over 2 cos 10 is 5 theta and cos negative 2 theta. So observe that what you can cancel off. 2, this and this. Like just now, this negative doesn't affect it. So what you're gonna have is sine 2 theta over cos 2 theta, which is tangent to theta, and is equals to your right hand side. So you have proved this. It's a long way. I hope you can understand. If not, feel free to replay the video so that you can get more understanding.